Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox something that was sent to me. This is a Raspberry Pi sensor box kit. This is from Adeept. This thing has about 46 sensors in it. This is the box. Let's get a look to see what's inside. Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty much packed full of sensors. It's right to the top. Now, I'm not going to go through every one of these sensors. I'll go through a few of them. There are 46 in here. It would take forever for me to show you all 46 sensors. So if you're interested, what I'll do is I'll leave a link to this product in the description, and it'll have a list of all the sensors this comes with. So this is a soil moisture sensor. You have a water level module. You have a GPIO double ribbon cable, a line finder module. There's a card from Adeept, thank you, with their email, male to female jumper wire. So a vibration sensor. So I'm gonna get rid of all the rest of the sensors because there's a lot of them. So I'm just gonna take them all out. This dial LCD, you got a regular LCD right here. This is a GPIO expansion board. You basically connect this end to this part, and this end goes to the Raspberry Pi. This part goes to your breadboard of your Raspberry Pi so that you have all access to all the pins on a breadboard. I use it all the time. Very, very highly recommend this one specific item. This is probably like the most popular sensor. This is the ultrasonic sensor. I'm using this in a project right now. More sensors. This is a laser transmitter. This is a barometer sensor. You got a breadboard. You got assortment of jumper wire. You got a jumper wire with a male to this connection here. I don't know what that is. All right, so that's pretty much it. Adeept sent me this product for a review. If you like this product, it'll be linked in the description. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna use this for all my Raspberry Pi projects because I'm doing a lot of projects in the next couple of months, and I'm going to use pretty much all of them. If you guys are interested, again, links will be in the description. This is pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm restinformouseprotect.com, and thank you guys for watching.